It's like every day in the winter is cloudy. Every sunny day in the spring is windy. Even on the cloudiest days, I still feel like I need sunglasses. My eyes, the more you wear sunglasses, check 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Are we getting audio out of the top of this? Yes, we are. Time to go into the void. You know, it's kind of like a silly, not a question, but like a silly statement. It's similar to sort of when people are like, "Where'd you find it?" And like, it was the last place I looked. Like, well, yeah, no, duh. And they always say something where it's like, "I got so lucky because it was if that car was a 1 inch to the left, I would have died." And it's sort of like, well, yeah. Anytime it could have been worse, it always could have been worse.